This is a demo of the Diana photo app, which is named after the Diana camera from the 1950s. It was a plastic camera that allowed you to superimpose images. So when you open Diana, it will ask you, it will show you your camera roll, and it will ask you to, you can just hit the arrow there and it will randomly pick two images and superimpose them. Or what I've done is, a lot of times I will point it to my favorites because I only want it to use my favorites. So what I've done is I've set up an album called For Diana, so I'm going to use that album. But you can point it to any album or just leave it by default to have it point to your favorites. And basically the way it works is you just hit the dice and it will randomly choose two images from the album and superimpose them. If you choose this button down here, you can use different formats. By default, it puts you in the square format, which I think is the one that most people use. And then if you do this button, it allows you to choose which image you want. Like let's say you like the top one, but you don't like the bottom one. You can actually lock it and then redo it so it will choose a new image. And you can also like slightly reposition the images if you wanted, that. And then down here you can apply the filter strength. I pushed that button already. This shows you all the filters, but a more fun way to do it is to just sort of swipe to the right and left. And so as you swipe, you see it will change the filters. And you see it is basically it will go through all the different filters that it has. These are some pretty cool ones. And you can swipe right or left, and there's quite a few. So you can cycle through a bunch of them and see. And if you get one that you like, see if I can find one that I like. Well, for starters, if you want to get a different image, you can hit the dice again and you get something else. I'll do my guitar. Maybe that looks like a good one. My guitar with some giant grapes. Let's see, I'll keep going. Maybe I'll find one that I like. I think that one looks pretty cool. So now I'm going to take this one and I want to export it. So I'm just going to hit that export button and save the image, and there it's saved out to my camera roll. And that pretty much is Diana. It's a pretty easy app to use. It's very addictive. You can stay up late at night working on hitting those dice and getting lots of funky, cool images.